I'm hungry, even when you're not. That sound isn't your stomach begging for food. It's your gut doing housekeeping. Between meals, your digestive tract runs a timed cleanup pattern called the migrating motor complex, like a robot vacuum that sweeps the hallway when everyone's asleep. It squeezes the stomach and small intestine in rolling waves, pushing leftover fluid, air, and tiny bits forward. When the stomach is emptier, there's more space for air to slosh, so the vibrations get louder, like shaking a half-empty water bottle instead of a full one. Stress and caffeine can turn the volume up by speeding those contractions. So a growl can mean maintenance mode, not feed me. Next time it rumbles, smile. Your gut is resetting the system. Want another weird body sound explained?